innocent, cruel, even so. You have to be beautiful. No destiny could bring us together. If that's the way that things are meant to be, then maybe it'd be better if we never see each other. Cause underneath it all, I'm sick of almost everything. Deja vu, what do you keep going on about? You said and so many selfish things, haven't you taken all that you could take by now? But even though all that's true, somehow I can't seem to hate you. I know I don't wanna hear you say the same old shit again. This time I'll take it all the way to the end. I don't care, there's a way you phrase it. Love me, trust me, I'll never take it. If you wanna fool around, fine with me. Just don't kid yourself with who you'll never be. How long will you keep trying? How many more lying words full of shit you don't even believe? Either way it'll end, yeah, we already know. Even if our words aren't around, I'm tired of getting my hopes up over nothing at all. So take the hint, just take it and don't let my rain fall. I wish some people would just shut up. I really don't care, stop talking to me. You have two words to convey what you mean. A butterfly out in the world never sends a text or a call. It spreads its wings out. Wouldn't you say that way's the greatest of all? If you don't know what I mean, then just get lost. If you're that indecisive, then just fuck off. If every word I said never meant a thing, all the care I thought, it only brought more crying and pity. If that's true, then maybe I'll just put my umbrella up after all. So that I wanted was to be this way forever, going and hoping it would get better. But I was growing older and never thought I couldn't turn back the clock. So now I pray the rain never stops. Paste and delete, and the pattern repeats. Take it in, let it out. And that is why becoming someone else's self, it kills me inside. I don't care if there's a way you say it. Love me, trust me, I fucking hate it. If you wanna fool around, fine by me. Just don't kid yourself with who will never be. How long will you keep trying? How many more lying promises full of shit I never believe? Either way it'll end, yeah, I already know. Even the words that aren't around, I'm tired of hurting each other and myself so much. So I'll accept the me who I became and give it up. So I keep my umbrella closed. Let's get wet on the way.